Hi, this is Janet ng Pinoy Cooking Recipes. Let's make banana flan. A flan that's not overly sweet, loaded with banana flavor. Let's begin. In a pan, add 1 cup granulated sugar and caramelize until amber in color. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Remove from heat and pour the hot caramel into the bottom of an 8-inch pan. Swirl the pan to spread evenly. Set aside and cool completely. In a large bowl, add eggs and milk. Beat or whisk well. Next, add vanilla and condensed milk. Beat until well incorporated. Next, add the bananas that are mashed well. Pour the mixture through the strainer and continue to mash the bananas until you get a nice and smooth flan mixture. This process will get rid of some chunks of mashed bananas in the mixture. A blender can also be used to combine all the ingredients. If it foams up, make sure to remove or discard the foam before transferring to the pan. I just like this process better because it avoids foams or bubbles. Now transfer the mixture into the pan with caramelized sugar. Tightly cover the pan with foil. Boil water, then place the pan onto the steamer basket. Steam over medium-low heat for about 45 minutes to 1 hour or until toothpick inserted comes out clean. Remove from the steamer and let it cool completely. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours before serving. Run a knife or metal spatula around the edges, place a large plate on top, then invert and lift the pan. Slice, serve, and enjoy! This banana flan is so good. One slice is just not enough. You should try it. You'll definitely love it. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com.